What's up guys, and welcome back to another video on my channel. And today we are going back to the most realistic price prediction. This time we will do it for RSR reserve rights, and you know that this price prediction is based on historical data and not on my opinion. And if this is the first price prediction that you are seeing from me, then don't worry if you don't understand this Excel sheet right now. I will explain it to you in detail. But before we are getting started, if you want to see more price predictions like that and also want to see crypto market analysis, then make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to this channel, because I put out a price prediction like that every week and market analysis on a daily basis. And of course, as always, the first link in the video description is my Patreon account. That is the right address for you if you are tired of having no idea in which market stage we are in right now, what you should do, when to buy, when to sell, when it is time to cash in profits. Here you won't feel lost anymore. On my Patreon account, I will give you real-time updates on all my portfolio and trading updates. Plus you will get access to my Discord community, where you can chat with all community members, also including me. So looking forward to see you guys there. And now let's get straight into the most realistic price prediction for RSR. So as I said, this price prediction is based on historical data, and that what you can see right here, that are the cycles back from the historical data. I will read the first one as example so you understand this, and I have always listed the low and the high. And the first low was on the 27th of June 2019. There we had a market cap of 10.5 million, and you can see right here that Excel is rounding the numbers. You can see that right here the number is too small, so it's showing 0% right here, but the actual number is 0.00302%. And we had a market cap, or a total market cap, of 348 billion. Then on the 14th of July we had a market cap in RSR of 15.9 million, and that was a market share of, you can see it right here again, 0.00545%. And from this 0.00302% to 0.00545%, that is an increase of 80.46%. And the same thing in the total market cap, so from 348 billion to 292 billion, that is a decrease of minus 16.09%. And I will shortly click through the numbers here that are too small, that Excel is showing this correctly. So if you want to go through all of the numbers, feel free to take a specific look at the numbers right here. That is why I'm just clicking through them right here, so you can check them out. And I will give you the main takeaway from these numbers, because out of these numbers here from the historical data, we try to project that into the future, and taking then a basket of predictions. So one underperforming, one stable, one outperforming, and out of these predictions we are taking the average price out of that, and that is then the most realistic price prediction. And you can see right here I have listed 4 scenarios right here. The first one is 0.03% market dominance, and that would be the underperforming case. So no growth in market dominance, so that means we are keeping stable. Then the next one is the last all-time high in market dominance, so that is the 0.05%. Then also I have here the continuation of the growth that we had since March. Also right here you can see the calculation. So the continuation growth since March, so from March to March, that were 589.3% increase, divided that by 12 months, so that means we have 49.1% increase per month, and that times the 15 months, so that is approximately the average time window what I'm expecting, and then we get to the result of 736.62% growth times the 0.02771%, so where we are at currently, and then we have an outcome of 0.23183%, and that is how I came to this number right here. Then also, so that is, as I said, the continuation growth since March, and then also we have the outperforming scenario. So I just took the outperforming scenario right here out of this cycle, so from March to July, where we had an increase of 772.14%, and then we get to the result of 0.44%. And as we have now the market dominance in RSR, we also need, of course, the supply. Right now we are at 9.4 billion. That is rounded the number, and yeah, with the supply, it's hard to say where we will be and in the peak of the market, because it also depends on the foundation, how much they are putting into supply. So I just take 30% of the supply that we have right now and added that, so we came to the supply of 12.5 billion, but that could be, of course, a little bit more, a little bit less. As I said, it depends on how much they are putting into the market. Then also here in the chart you can see that is basically these numbers right here, just in the chart, so that you can also see it and not just the numbers. So the blue bars right here is the market cap, and the orange line is the market dominance in RSR. We can see here that RSR in general is outperforming. It is growing in market dominance. And then right here, that is right now the prediction part. So as I said, right now we have the market dominance in RSR. So the predictions for the market dominance in RSR. We have the supply. We also have here the time window that is between the end of 2021 to the end of 2022. So I'm repeating this in every video right now. I know that, but it is because I can read that almost in every video in the comments, that the people are thinking that this price prediction is for the end of this year, and that is not necessarily true, because it is a time window. So that means the earliest point is the end of this year. But in general, I am aiming for the peak of the markets, of this bull market, and that is expected the end of this year to the end of next year. And then also we have here the estimated market dominance, and that is between 10.45 trillion to 16.67 trillion. And if you want to know how I got to this result right here, that is also, of course, based on historical data. I will link you my very first price prediction right here, that is about Bitcoin, and there I show you exactly in detail how I came to this conclusion with the time window and also with the estimated total market cap. And of course also you will get the Bitcoin price prediction, of course. And yeah, let's just go to the predictions right here. So I have listed right now here always the higher estimated market cap and the lower estimated market cap, and I will read the first one as example for you. So 0.03% out of 16.67 trillion, that would be a market cap for RSR of 5 billion, and that would mean and then the 5 billion, of course, divided with the supply, and then we came to the result of 40 cents per RSR. And you can see right here I have listed all the predictions, and out of all these predictions we are taking the average price, and the average price would be this one right here, so $3.06 with a total market dominance in RSR of 0.282%. So that is my most realistic price prediction. That is based on the historical data. And then also I have listed right here for you, in case you want to do an own price prediction and you want to also post it in the video comments, you can just write it down. Here I have listed for you how much price RSR would have per coin if RSR would reach 0.01% market dominance. Also here I have listed the higher estimation with the total market cap and the lower estimation. So with the higher estimation it would be 13 cents, and with the lower estimation it would be 8 cents, and the average of course is then 10.5 cents. So if you want to make your own prediction and say, okay, RSR will reach 0.1%, then you can say, okay, that is almost a little bit more than $1, and my reason for that is that and that. So in general, it will of course always be nice if you add a reason to this and not just say, yeah, RSR is reaching 10% because it is the best coin. So that would make no sense, because there are no reasons that you can back this if you just say this is the best coin or whatever. So then also I have here the charts for you guys, so you not just see this in numbers, so that you can also see this in the chart. So that right here is the first case, so that is the prediction of 0.02771% market dominance. That would be the underperforming case, sorry, and that would be that we have no growth in the market dominance. Then also here we have the 0.05% market dominance. That would be the last high that you can see right here. And then of course the 0.23%, that would be just the continuation growth that we had from March, so from the low in March 2020 till now, so March 2021. If we just continuing the growth, then this right here is that would be the case. Then also here we have the outperforming case, that would be 0.44% market dominance, and in the end of course the total average of 0.282% market dominance. And yeah, that's it. If you have any questions, then please feel free to write them down in the comments. As I said, if you also want to do your own price prediction, also feel free to write them down in the comments. If this video was helpful, then please leave a like, subscribe to this channel so you won't miss out any future updates. And as I said, the first link in the video description is my Patreon account. Definitely make sure to check it out. It is absolutely worth it. And that's it for this video. See you in the next one. And as always, have a nice day.